Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn the Doppler effect in sound. The Doppler effect is the change in pitch we hear when the source or the listener is moving. Imagine a fire truck with its siren on. When it comes toward you, the pitch is higher. After it passes you and moves away, the pitch is lower. Why does it happen? Sound travels in waves. If the source moves toward you, it catches up to its own waves and compresses them. The waves are closer, so the pitch sounds higher. If the source moves away, the waves spread out and the pitch sounds lower. Now, let's look at the general formula. The frequency heard equals the true frequency multiplied by a ratio involving the speed of sound, the observer speed, and the source speed. Here are the four important cases. 1. Source moving toward a stationary listener. 2. Source moving away from a stationary listener. 3. Listener moving toward a stationary source. For listener moving away from a stationary source, let's connect this to real-life applications. Police speed guns use the Doppler effect with radio waves. In astronomy, Redshift means a star is moving away, and Blueshift means it is moving closer. Weather scientists use Doppler radar to track storms and winds. Great job! You have learned the Doppler effect, why the pitch changes, the formula, and key applications. Thank you for watching.